Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. He's super cool. Right. Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw his eyes. Big and round, just like this. Next, let's add his eyebrows. Now, I'll draw his nose. Let's give Marshall a big happy smile. Don't forget his teeth. Now, I'll draw his face. Let's add his ears. Remember, Marshall is a Dalmatian puppy. Time to draw his rescue helmet. So cool. Now, let's draw his collar with the rescue team's logo right here. Next, I'll draw his body and his rescue suit. And of course, his four legs 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to use my black marker to make our drawing nice and clear. Let's color together. Ready to color. Here we go. First, I'll use gray for this part. Next, I'll color his rescue helmet and suit bright red, and just like a real hero pop. Let's add some yellow. A little light brown here. Some pink. Finally, I'll color his eyes blue, so bright and cute. And we're all done. Our Marshall from Paw Patrol looks amazing. If you had fun,